Good morning, guys. We got an early start today. It's 7 o'clock and we're on our way to Weston-Super-Mare. We're going to cruise to the Prom. It's an event that's been organised by Vee Dub Family in aid of Teenage Cancer Trust.
In the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down.
So we've arrived at the TK Maxx car park at the beginning of the cruise. People are starting to turn up. There's lots of different dubs here. And everybody is feverishly polishing them. Keep them looking as good as they can for the cruise. I must say there's so far nobody we know, but we have come up from Cornwall.
I don't wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby don't leave.
Okay then.
I just managed to get the engine in yesterday.
Things you do to get here, eh?
I flew the original coming back from Cornwall.
Too much. And yeah, we're crazy, deep in love. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive and
Oh, you want to see this little section? It's just showing your place.
Oh my!
That's fabulous, isn't it?
That is so cool, isn't it?
On there, away you go.
Oh, it looks like we've got Team Orange down here.
oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything with you right next to me. So alive and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go.
Great stuff. There you go. All right. Have a nice day, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
See the hard times fading in the sunrise. We can flee.
Only me. You were waiting for me to do that then, weren't you?
Shall I warn him?
It's been more fun watching him go over.
Sunrise. We can flee the night. Flee the night into paradise. We can flee the night.
Those things, right?
Bloody knackers.
We can flee the night.
We're driving down the boulevard.
Better do a little bit more of your van there, aren't I?
Mine's wrapped. It's a wrap, yeah. Work in progress. Just waiting for some wheels.
Isn't everything a work in progress? Yeah, you've been spending money, haven't you?
Yeah.
You've been spending money.
I've just downsized from a T5.
I know that we will all be just fine, but tonight I just wanna dance it off. Ignore the world with me tonight. Wanna dance it off. Put your body next to mine. Can't get the smile off my face. Don't really have a reason why, but I don't even have to try. This feeling is here to stay. Let's keep it going all night. Don't stop till we see sunlight.
I think you were in front of us. You were in the vehicle.
We were, yes, yes.
You weren't photographing us, were you?
No, I'm filming, Right, you're flicking the V's, are you?
Ignore the world with me tonight. Wanna dance it off. Put your body next to mine. I just wanna dance it off. Ignore the world with me tonight. Wanna dance it off. Put your body next to mine. Just wanna dance it off. Ignore the world with me tonight. Don't force me out of bed in your society. Don't push me down the road you're playing down. Don't try to fix my head, it's just your anxiety. Don't hush me now, 'cause I just wanna shout. Don't make me dance to the tune that you're humming. No, my body don't move like that. Don't make me pretend I don't see your shortcomings.
Never know, there might be a little token on your car saying bring it up. Maybe next year. Well, this is what happens if you don't check your camera before you decide to start recording some more bits and pieces. I think we've had a really great day today, and I know Steve raised quite a lot of money for Teenage Cancer Trust. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you enjoy what I'm doing, why not subscribe to the channel? There'll be lots more coming, I guess. See you next time, guys, and thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.